Are you tired of losing your hard-earned money on Deriv due to emotional trading or bad timing? What if I told you there's a way to automate your success with surgical precision? Today, I'm going to show you a live demonstration of Pivotcore.net, the ultimate auto trading companion for Deriv traders. In this session, I set a goal to take 10 trades, and you won't believe the accuracy. We are aiming for a 90% win rate. That's 9 wins out of 10 trades. Let's dive in and see the power of AI-driven trading. So what is Pivotcore? Unlike many complicated bots that require coding knowledge, Pivotcore.net is a user-friendly, cloud-based platform designed specifically for Deriv's synthetic indices. It analyzes market trends, identifies reversals, and manages risk automatically. Whether you're trading volatility indices or crash and boom, this system takes the guesswork out of the equation. It's built for those who want consistency without spending hours staring at charts. Now, watch the screen as the platform begins its work. You can see how the AI identifies entry points. Notice the discipline. It doesn't overtrade. I've configured the settings to be precise. As we go through these 10 trades, look at the execution speed. 1 win, 2 wins, 3. The system is following a strict mathematical model. Even if one trade doesn't go our way, the risk management tools ensure our capital stays protected. This is the difference between gambling and professional automated trading. The biggest enemy of a trader is emotion. Fear and greed make you blow accounts. But with Pivotcore, you're trading with logic. It works 24/7, even while you sleep. The platform offers real-time monitoring and statistical modeling that is far superior to manual analysis. If you're a Deriv trader looking to level up your game and achieve the kind of results you're seeing on my screen right now, this is the tool you've been waiting for. As we wrap up this session, let's look at the final score. 9 wins and only 1 loss. That is the power of a 90% win rate strategy powered by Pivotcore.net. If you want to stop struggling and start winning, head over to Pivotcore.net right now. Don't leave your financial future to chance. Automate it. Check the link in the description to get started today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more live trading proofs.